Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Hyundai has less than 98,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.